Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best Quinceanera cake topper is probably one of the most enchanting and personal elements of a young woman's 15th birthday celebration, serving as a beautiful focal point that encapsulates her journey into womanhood, reflecting her unique style, the party's theme, and the cherished dreams she holds for this significant milestone, making its selection a truly memorable and heartfelt decision for the entire family. Number 5. Crystal Creations 15 Rose Gold Rhinestone Cake Topper. Make your 15th birthday or anniversary truly unforgettable. This premium rose gold metal cake topper adds a touch of elegance and sparkle to any celebration. It's designed to be a stunning centerpiece for your special day. Shipping can be tough, but not for this topper. It comes securely packaged in a protective box with padding, ensuring it arrives intact and ready for your event. You can order with confidence, even close to your party date. Crafted from a strong, beautiful rose gold metal alloy, it's not just durable, it looks exquisite. This high-end piece features inset rhinestones, making it a perfect keepsake to cherish long after the party. Whether your cake is tall or short, this topper is adaptable. Its 4.5-inch prongs can be easily trimmed to fit your cake's height. For cream cakes, a quick chill ensures it sits perfectly. Adorned with gorgeous, sparkly rhinestones, it truly stands out. Measuring approximately 3.75 inches wide and 4.5 inches tall, it will catch every eye and make your celebration shine even brighter. Look for the C imprinted on the back to ensure you have a genuine Crystal Creations product. After the party, you can store it in its beautiful keepsake box or pass it on, preserving its memories. What we like? This topper arrives in a protective box, ensuring it's safe for your event. Made from durable rose gold metal with sparkling rhinestones, it offers a luxurious look. If you're looking for a high-end, customizable topper that can be a lasting keepsake, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract any points as the source JSON was empty. Number 4. Ms. Quince 15 Glitter Cake Topper, Silver. Make her milestone birthday unforgettable. This eye-catching glitter cake topper adds elegance, charm, and a festive sparkle to your centerpiece and party decor. Its exclusive design ensures your party is truly memorable. Crafted from durable, food-safe materials, it features a premium non-shedding glitter finish. This ensures your cake looks flawless throughout the celebration, unlike flimsy, single-sided alternatives. Measuring approximately 6.25 inches by 4.25 inches, it fits cakes of all shapes and sizes. This makes it an ideal decorative piece for tiered cakes, sheet cakes, or even cupcakes. Whether for a grand party or an intimate celebration, it brings sophistication and a festive vibe. It can even double as a photo prop or an accent piece for other desserts, enhancing your event with charm. Designed for convenience, it comes fully assembled and ready to use. This saves you time, allowing you to focus on making sweet memories. All our party items, including this beautiful topper, are proudly designed and made in our factory right here in the USA. You can trust in its quality and craftsmanship. What we like? This glitter cake topper boasts double-sided sparkle, ensuring it shines from every angle. It comes pre-assembled and is crafted from durable, food-safe materials in the USA. If you want a hassle-free, high-quality, and dazzling decoration that's ready to go, this one is perfect for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted. Number 3. DecoPac XL Gold Quinceanera Cake Decorating Kit. Make your sweet 15 unforgettable with this complete cake decorating kit. It provides everything you need to create a stunning centerpiece for the celebration. This kit features a beautiful shimmery gold design, perfect for a quinceanera. It includes a golden princess, a regal crown, and an elegant shoe, all covered in gold foil. Crafted from strong, high-quality plastic, these decorations are built to last. You can use them for multiple celebrations, making every Ms. Quinceañera memorable. Rest assured, this set is completely safe for all your baked goods. Its strong plastic picks ensure that each piece stays steady and secure on your cake. No complicated assembly required. This kit comes ready to use right out of the box, allowing you to effortlessly create a beautiful and memorable celebration cake. From DecoPac, a leader in cake decorating, this set is part of a range relied upon by professionals worldwide. You can trust its quality and design for your special occasion. What we like. This is a complete 3-piece decorating kit featuring a golden princess, crown, and shoe. Made from strong, food-safe plastic, these pieces are designed for repeated use. If you're aiming for a cohesive, regal golden princess theme and appreciate reusable decorations, this kit is ideal. What people say. The topper features a beautiful design, perfect for a quinceanera celebration. It is made with durable materials, ensuring it stands securely on the cake. Number 2. DecoPac Quinceanera Cake Topper. Dress your cake effortlessly with this shimmering silver lei. This set provides everything you need for a stunning quinceanera celebration. It features a beautiful princess, a regal crown, and an elegant shoe. Each piece is crafted from silver foil-covered plastic, adding a touch of sparkle. Made from strong, long-lasting plastic, these decorations can be used repeatedly. They are also dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. This set is safe to use on all your baked goods. Its strong plastic picks ensure each piece stays steady and secure on your cake. It comes with everything required to create a celebration cake showstopper. Simply place them on your cake and enjoy the transformation. From DecoPac, a leader in cake decorating, this is just one of their many quality products. Professionals worldwide rely on their range for exceptional results. What we like. This 3-piece set offers a beautiful silver princess, crown, and shoe for your cake. Crafted from durable plastic, these decorations are reusable and even dishwasher safe. If you prefer a classic silver princess look and value easy cleanup and reusability, this kit is a fantastic option. What people say. Number 1. Miss Quinn's 15 Cake Topper Gold Glitter. Commemorate your significant 15th milestone with this exquisite cake topper. It's designed to add a touch of elegance to any birthday, anniversary, or quinceanera celebration. This topper features a brilliant gold glitter finish, crafted to capture attention. It effortlessly enhances your party's centerpiece, creating a festive and cheerful ambience. Constructed from high-ranking paper jam and a sturdy wooden stick, it ensures both durability and a premium feel. You can trust its quality to make your special occasion shine. Whether it's a birthday, wedding, or anniversary, this versatile decoration is perfectly suited. It helps to create a joyful and memorable atmosphere for all your guests. Each piece is meticulously handmade, hand-assembled, and physically checked to ensure the highest standards. This dedication guarantees you receive a product of exceptional quality. What we like. This topper features a vibrant gold glitter design, handmade from premium paper jam. Each piece is carefully assembled, ensuring a unique and personal touch for your celebration. If you appreciate a handcrafted item that brings a cheerful, sparkling atmosphere to your party, this simple yet elegant choice is perfect. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.